Yo, what's up, world? Uh, so I just hit a milestone. I have reached 50 subscribers. We are growing, and thank you all for being part of my journey. Well, I struggled through tech and uh, help you learn from the mistakes I've learned and inspire more people into tech. So thank you all for being part of my growth, and I really appreciate it. So today, this is my first time saying this, by the way. So welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are not part of it, and feel free to like, share, and subscribe. So what are we going to do today? I wanted to talk about some things that I wish I had known before starting out on my tech journey, and yeah, I want to share it with you, and we can learn. Okay, now welcome to my YouTube channel, by the way, and if you're new, yeah, have a great day, guys. So before heading further into this video, let me take this chance to give a shout out to eMobilis. It's an institution where they teach people uh, more about tech. You can go there, learn cybersecurity, data science, software engineering. Yani they just have a lot of courses, and they have been part of helping me technically start. Yeah. So if you don't want to be self-taught, you can cut the process and go take a certification at eMobilis, and yeah, their certificates are valid, and you'll be job ready in a short time, unlike the self-taught route I took. Yeah, so that's it, guys. So the first thing I wish I knew was, I wish I would have understood the basics. By basics is, I wish I had learned JavaScript vizuri. I started off learning React, then after some time using React, I came back and had to learn JavaScript. One thing I didn't know why school teaches us this is, why do you use C? Why do you use C++? Because we never use it. And what I learned from that is that uh, I think the teachers want us to understand the basics. That is why they they teach us in what we are not going to use. Yeah. The next thing, feel free to start over. Take a new language. Pause. Uh, Feel free to start whenever you want, uh, whichever time you want, and you aren't obligated to finish anything. Let's say you pick up a new programming language, but it doesn't suit you. Let's say you feel free to leave it, start over, start with a new language. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. If you are a software engineer, you can quit and get into another field, maybe UX, UI. If you are that, you can quit. You aren't obligated to finish anything. That is one thing I learned. Uh, the next thing is, uh, read books. Read plenty of books, not just programming books. I think books is all the knowledge that someone has put in one single. Do you get how much that is? Like, all information someone has on a topic, he puts it in one thing. It opens up our mind, by the way, if you read a lot of books. One thing I've learned is, I started reading late. I have started just this year around May, and I have found it interesting as fuck. Interesting as some, yeah. I enjoy, by the way, and reading is a way to, yeah, you learn a lot from reading. And don't just read programming books, read across all genres. Yeah. Read across all genres. The next thing is, build networks early on from when you're beginning. Feel free to build networks, bana, because these people will come in handy future. The people you start learning with, they're the people you're going to get into tech with. When you're feeling down, they're the people who will motivate you. Yeah, so I wish I had built a network from early on. Yeah, the next thing I wish I had known, that is the next thing, number 6. Be loud. By being loud is, what I mean by being loud is, yeah, you are passionate in that thing, so don't be afraid to make noise. As you can see, I'm even making noise right now, so don't be afraid to make noise. mm, Another thing is, start applying for jobs early on. Don't be like me, in between jobs with 3 years of experience. Start applying for jobs early on. The moment you can write a crude application, the moment you can write an app that creates, reads, updates, and deletes from a database, I think you should start applying for jobs. Mm, Join a community first of all, so these opportunities can be easily accessible to you. If they are looking for attaches or interns, that is another important of building networks from early on. So apply for jobs as early as possible. Even today, if you can write a crude application, just get on LinkedIn, scroll, and whichever interests you, just apply, because you never know. uh, Someone might be willing to take a chance on you. The last thing is to find a mentor. Find a mentor. Uh, a friend of mine told me that they have never seen an importance of a mentor, but I I found out I had mentors from the beginning. I had a lot of mentors. Others just 1 year ahead of me, others older than me by a few more years, and others who had already begun their life in tech. So I saw the importance of having mentors, because I would look up to them. If I had a challenge, I could just call them and ask them. Yeah, so it's really, really good to find a mentor. So that was it, guys. So feel free to like this video. Yeah, because I'm really happy at how much we are growing. Uh, yeah, have a great day, guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.